Christmas.
Now she don't want to open it.
Come on, girl. Show them how you open up your gift. Come on.
What's yours?
Maybe you have to help her, Michael. Start.
Look at her tail.
With your tail, get a tail in it, that way she could open it.
Oh. Aw.
I didn't get one for Pete. I didn't get one for Pete too.
Oh, she'll be all excited hearing it.
Look at girl. What you got? What you got?
Oh, she did. Al. Look at her.
What you got there, dog?
She enjoyed the opening. Oh, why is she making a mess?
There's a vacuum tomorrow.
Tika. Tika.
Oh, she loves to open gifts.
Oh.
Next one.
Oh.
What's that?
Did you do this one? It's slippery for her.